Hey, how's it going everybody? Back here at Dash Trucks with another walk around video. If you like what you're watching, you want to stay up to date with our inventory, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell. That way you're notified every single time we post a new video. Without further ado, here's today's 2019 Ford E-350. This is going to be our 16-foot box truck. It's dually rear tires and rear wheel drive. This box truck does have a ramp. Our stock number is going to be 37763 and it has 163,000 miles. Now, as you guys can tell, we do have a flex fuel vehicle, and this also does have a clearance of 11 feet. Now, as I'm giving you a quick view towards the back side, I will go ahead and show you guys our dually tires. And then along with our tires, we do have our recently painted chassis. We at DAS like to paint the chassis to prevent any kinds of rust from forming, so that's really nice. And I'll go ahead and show you guys our back side. Coming around towards the back, I did go ahead and pull out the ramp just so you guys have a quick view of what it looks like with the ramp out. And I'll go ahead and put that away and open up our box and show you guys what it looks like inside the box. With our box now open, as you guys can tell, we are fully equipped with our tie down boards and our kick boards. In here we do have a length of 16.3, a width of 7.7, and a height of 6.10. Scooting back towards the actual opening, we have our opening width being 7.4, our opening height being 6.1, and our clearance from top to bottom being 11 feet. Now I'll go ahead and sitting inside of the vehicle itself, this is what it looks like inside of the cabin. On the dash, we do see that it has 163,139 miles. Going back, we do have a radio. This radio works well with AM, FM, CD, aux, and Cyrus. Dash Trucks likes to ensure that all of our vehicles are fully serviced and reconditioned. So I want you guys to take a quick look at our 6.2 liter V8 flex fuel engine. This engine does hold roughly around 331 horsepower, and it also has a 6-speed automatic transmission. And now we'll wrap it up for today's 2019 Ford E-350. This is our dually 16-foot box truck with the ramp. If you guys have any other questions on this vehicle, make sure you check the link in the website. That is going to have all the information on every single vehicle that we sell and with the warranties provided with them. Feel free to give us a call or text us. Our sales team are amazing people and they usually know how to answer after hours when needed. And make sure you also read that small information snippet. I'll write down everything I spoke about in the video just for you. I hope to see you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.